How to replace the water mixing valve. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Turn the water faucets off. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water that may drip from the fill hoses when you remove them. Remove the 2 fill hoses from the water valve. Remove the 3 screws on the back of the controls panel. Remove the controls panel. And let it hang by the wires, like this. Mark the wires on the coils to remember where they go connected. Remove the wires from the coils. Move this clamp with a pair of pliers. And remove this hose. Remove these 2 screws. And remove the bad water mixing valve. Connect this hose to the water valve. And put the water valve in place. Secure it with the 2 screws. Secure the hose to the water valve with the clamp. Connect the wires to the coils. And tuck in the wires so they don't get pinched by the controls panel. Close the controls panel, making sure you don't pinch any of the wires. And secure it with the 3 screws on the back. Connect the fill hoses to the water valve. Open the water faucets. And try the washer to see how it works now. That was the way to check and replace the water mixing valve. Click on these links to visit my website and to subscribe to my channel.